This is the Schrade SCPENBK Tactical Pen, one of several models in the Schrade Tactical Pen series. Stylish and well made, the SCPENBK Tactical Pen, crafted from CNC machine 6061 T6 black aluminum, provides you with both a solid writing instrument as well as an effective self-defense tool for emergency situations when use of a knife or a handgun isn't possible. To use, unscrew the cap of the tactical pen to reveal the Schmidt P900M Parker-style cartridge's ball point. The pen's threading provides grip for your fingers while writing. This well-balanced pen rests comfortably in your hand, and the black ink cartridge flows freely, even under a range of variable temperature conditions. The aircraft quality hardened aluminum shell has a strike point that transforms the pen into an instrument capable of causing significant impact damage in self-defense applications. The flat pen top provides your thumb a solid platform for downforce leverage. A sturdy pocket clip bearing the Schrade logo secures the SCPENBK to your shirt or pants pocket, or clips the pen to your pack or gear. At a length of 5.7 inches and weight of 1.4 ounces, the SCPENBK is a tough, handsome, dependable pen capable of standing up to challenging environments. Well designed, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCPENBK Tactical Pen.
This is the Smith & Wesson SWPENBK Tactical Pen, a lightweight tactical pen manufactured from aircraft quality CNC machined T6061 black aluminum. The SWPENBK combines style with tactical practicality. A quality writing instrument, the pen can serve as a covert self-defense tool in situations where a handgun or knife are unavailable. The hardened aluminum shell has a strike point, transforming the pen into an instrument capable of causing significant damage and impact in self-defense applications. The flat pen top providing a solid platform for downforce leverage. The cap of the SWPENBK unscrews with 2 easy turns. The black ink of the Schmidt P900M Parker-style cartridge's ballpoint flows evenly under a range of temperatures. The well-balanced 1.4-ounce pen rests lightly in your hand, with barrel ribbing keeping the pen steady while writing. A sturdy pocket clip bearing the Smith & Wesson logo secures the pen to suit coat, shirt or pants pocket, or clip to pack or gear. At a length of 13.7 centimeters, the SWPENBK is a quality tool designed for professionals.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Williams Tactical Pen. This is a James Williams design specifically to fly under the radar and be used as a self-defense tool. First and foremost, this is a pen, so you can see it does write very well. It's got a Fisher Space Pen insert. Basically, to use it, you just grip it in your hand and use it as a trauma instrument to get away. That's what it's designed to do. And it's designed specifically to be non-aggressive. It looks like a stellar executive pen. It writes well. It fits nice in the hand. You can see it right there. The cap doesn't have to be screwed on. it snaps right on with an O-ring. And it does have a pocket clip. You can see it in my shirt pocket here, as well as in my pants pocket, just to give you an idea of how it rides. It is 1.2 ounces and it's made from 6061 aluminum. That's aircraft grade aluminum, so it's going to be nice and strong. One last thing I wanted to mention about that pocket clip there is it is removable. If you don't want to roll with it, you can untwist that and remove that pocket clip. There you have it. Again, this is a James Williams designed tactical pen, and it is great for everyday carry. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
This is the Impromptu Tactical Pen from Gerber. Don't let anyone tell you the pen is mightier than the sword, unless it's this one. Machined from steel and Cerakote, coated for corrosion resistance, it features a tempered steel glass breaker in its tip for emergency situations. The included all-weather Right in the Rain ink cartridge effectively works in wet or dry conditions. Proudly made in the USA. There's no such thing as writer's block with the Impromptu Tactical Pen.